So we'll see the example. The question is, there is a circular swimming pool of cement flooring of 4 meters. If the cement path is 11 by 25 times the area of the swimming pool, then find the radius of the pool. So this question was adapted from SSC CGL Tier 1 2015. So here there is a cement path outside the swimming pool of width 4 meters. So area of the pathway, area of the cement flooring and the pool detail is given. We are asked to find the radius of the pool. So we'll see the working. So here we have a circular swimming pool. And around this is the cement path. So what is the width of the cement path? So it is 4 meters. And area of the cement path and the swimming pool ratio is given. So 11 by 25 times. So now we will take the radius of the bigger circle as capital R and radius of the smaller circle as smaller r. Now what will be radius of the smaller circle? It is pi r square. So pi r square is radius of the smaller circle. And detail is given for path area and the pool area. So what will be area of the path? It is the bigger circle minus the smaller circle area. So bigger circle area is pi capital R square and smaller circle area is pi small r square. And now we can take this pi common. So it is r square minus r square. So area of the path is pi capital R square minus small r square. And what is area of the smaller circle? Area of the pool, it is pi r square. Now what is the detail given? So area of the path is 11 parts and area of the pool is 25 parts. So here this gets cancelled. So multiplying and expanding, so we can find radius of the pool. So here r plus r, we can split this as r plus r. So where the identity a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So this is r square into 11 by 25. So by solving this, what is r minus r? It is 4. So difference in the radius, as width of the pavement is 4, difference in radius is 4. So substituting that, we can work out and solve. But all this takes time. So with a simple logic, easily within seconds we can get the answer. So we'll see how to get the answer easily. So without doing all these workings. So here there is a pool, radius is smaller r, which we need to find. And there is a bigger circle, so included with the pavement, that radius will take as capital R. So what is width of the pavement? 4 meters. That is difference in the radius of the path of the bigger circle and the pool is 4 meters. And now what is the detail given? Area of the path and area of the pool. Area of the path is 11 by 25 times area of the path. Area of the pool. So area of the pathway equal to, so 11 by 25 times area of the pool. And now I have told you ratio working will be very simple and easily you can get the answer. So we can get the ratio of area of the path and pool. So I'll write here path and the pool. So now what is the ratio? Path area is 11 by 25 times area of the pool. So when we take area of the pool as 1, path is 11 by 25 times. So what will be ratio of path to the pool areas? So area of the path is 11 parts, area of the pool is 25 parts. So here the path area is 11 parts and the pool area is 25 parts. Now what will be area of the bigger circle? How many parts? Area of the bigger circle will be 11 plus 25, 36 parts. So area of the bigger circle, add both, we get 36 parts. So area of the path plus area of the pool, so when added it is equal to 36 parts. So now area of the bigger circle is 36 parts and area of the smaller circle is 25 parts. What is area of the bigger circle? So here we have got the ratio 36:25. So what is area of the bigger circle? It is pi r square. And what is area of the smaller circle? It is pi r square. So when we cancel, so we have got radius, capital bigger circle radius square by smaller circle radius square as 36/25. And from this we can find ratio of the radius. So how we can find ratio of radius? So I have already told you in a ratio and proportion. So if the ratio is given as 2:3, so ratios can be written in quotient form also. So if it is 2/3, what is the duplicate ratio? So duplicate ratio is the one where we square the given ratio. So square of this is 4/9. So duplicate ratio for 2/3 is 4/9. And what is the subduplicate ratio? Taking square root for this, we get the original ratio. So taking square root, we get the subduplicate ratio. So here radius square is given. So to find the ratio of this radius, we can take subduplicate ratio for 36 and 25. Now what will be ratio of capital R and small r? For taking square root, it is 6/5. So here, as the detail given is area of the path is 11/25 times the pool. So path is 11 parts, pool is 25 parts. The bigger circle is 11 plus 25, 36 parts. So pi r square, capital pi r square is 36 and pi into small r square is 25. So taking subduplicate ratio, we have got ratio of radius as 6:5. So r is to r is 6:5. And what is the difference in parts? 6 minus 5, only one part. And what is the value of this one part? So which is difference between, the actual difference between the bigger radius and the smaller radius, which is equal to 4. So one part is 4 meters. Now how many parts we need? 5 parts. So we need radius of the pool, which is 5 parts. And now what will be the answer? 5 into 4, 20 meters is the radius. So radius is 20 meters. So instead of doing all those working, so just getting the ratio for path and pool, we have added the parts to get area of the bigger circle. So pi into capital R square is 36 parts and pi into small r square, that is area of the bigger circle and smaller circle is 36/25. So this common factor gets cancelled. So capital R square and small r square ratio is 36:25. And what will be ratio of the radius? Taking square root, that is subduplicate ratio 6:5. And now we need this r. So what is the detail given? So width is 4 meters, which means difference in radius is 4 meters. So what is difference in ratio? 1 part. So when 1 part is 4, we need 5 parts, which is 5 into 4, 20. So radius of the pool is 20. Suppose if radius of the pool and the pavement together is asked, now what will be the answer? 6 parts. 6 into 4, 24 will be the answer. So for this question, radius of the pool is 20 meters and option is, and answer is option A, 20 meters. So we'll see the next question.